Hey, good morning. It's Monday, and you can see on the agenda what we have for today. We're getting closer toward the end of the book. We're reading 16 and 17 today, and you need to make sure that you listen to the audio and follow along and read along what's on your screen, and then carefully answer the questions. You need to remember most of the multiple choice. You can go back in the book and find the answer. If it's a vocabulary question, go back and find that word in the chapter before you pick your answer, and that's worth 1 point. The short answers are worth 2 points. 1 point if you just get the answer correct, and 1 point if you restate the question and write in a complete sentence. And as I'm grading some of yours, um, some people are not doing that, and you lose 1 point. And every time you do that, you're losing a point, which is causing some of your grades on the chapters not to be very good. So please make sure that you do that and you restate that. Um, when you're finished, you can, if you haven't gotten on IXL, 6th grade, language arts, X1, types of sentences, you can do that for extra credit, extra credit always helps. I don't offer it a lot, but I am offering it now for people that maybe need a little help if they haven't been careful on their questions. So as IXL, 6th grade, language arts, X1, types of sentences. And if you remember, now they don't call a question sentence, they call it interrogative. When the police interrogate you, they bring you in and ask you questions. So interrogative is a question. And exclamatory, shows lots of emotion, either anger or fear or surprise, and ends in an exclamation mark. As declarative is just simply that somebody's just saying something like, I like the color blue, or my dog's name is Bella. Those are just declarative types of sentences. And then the other one are commands, but we don't call them a command anymore. Instead, we say it's imperative. So imperative means it's important. So imperative, it's important, like look both ways before you cross the street. That would be an imperative statement, imperative sentence, because you're saying a command. Or clean your room before we go. That's imperative. So you have those 4 types. If you get it wrong, make sure you look below and see why you got that wrong. Okay, for social studies today, we're going to start ancient civilizations, and we're going to start with a map. And I haven't posted that yet because I'm not sure how to do that virtually. So I will try to do that sometime today when I kind of figure it out. I tried this weekend to scan it and put it into a Google slide, and it wouldn't let me do that. So I'm going to figure that out, and then I'll send that to you sometime today. So sometime today, look for that. Okay, if you haven't gotten on iStation at all, you do need 30 minutes of practice on iStation. So you can go ahead and do that today too. If you didn't do anything last week, you can do that today. Okay, I hope that covers everything. If you have questions, be sure and email me and I'll just get back to you as fast as I can. We're working on that remote daily log because it has to do with something with the iPads and a setting. Because 7th and 8th grade are able to do that. So as soon as they've figured that out, I will let you know. All right. Okay. Have a great day.